I'm Clément Chamamakura. I'm a teacher of this school. In this school we have 422 pupils with 10 teachers, and we have 10 classrooms and another classroom for nursery. The nursery has 43 pupils. Now we have the sufficient desk.
Clement now takes us on a little tour of the campus, where the classrooms were built with the support of this congregation are either side of that central area.
Do you see the workers? They build the circle or the base of the water tank. Let's go to the kitchen now. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's okay. This is the kitchen. In the kitchen we have 3 workers. Now they prepare the food for pupils. Here we have beans and the vegetables, the store for food.
We now go around to see this novel permaculture kitchen garden, and then walking over the firewood for the kitchen stoves, we see a patch of cabbages being grown to feed the school children. We now take a little tour to see the new desks being built for the new section of the school, before Clement drops in to meet one of his classes, Primary 5.
Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you very much.
The tour continues with a visit to the school looms.
In this compound you have 8 places. 8 places. You see the other compound of the classroom. The other compound of the classroom is 4 classrooms.
Clement continues to show us round the compound, as he calls it, of the school. This was, of course, before the water tanks were fully in place. You can now see that both the large tank near the new classrooms and the smaller tank up by the old classrooms are both now installed. Wonderful to think that the generosity of you, us, at St Luke's, have provided these tanks and safe water for the children to use. Thank you, everybody.